Have you ever wondered why your WordPress header looks either too tall or too cramped, and you just can't figure out how to resize it properly? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to adjust your header size in WordPress the right way. And it's easier than you think. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, head over to Appearance and then click Editor. This will open the site editor, the main place where you can visually customize your WordPress site if you're using a block theme. Now, in the top left corner, click on the WordPress logo and choose Browse All Templates. You'll see a list of all your theme's templates and parts. From here, open Template Parts and then select Header. Inside the header editor, you'll notice different blocks, like your site logo, title, and navigation menu. You can click on any of these individually to adjust their size, alignment, or spacing using the Settings panel on the right-hand side. But if you want to change the overall header height, not just the elements inside, look for the main container block. It's usually a row or group block that holds everything together. Select it, then in the sidebar, open the Styles tab and click on Dimensions. Here's where the magic happens. You can tweak the padding or margin to increase or decrease the header height. Adjust these values until your header looks exactly how you want it. Once you're satisfied, don't forget to click Save at the top right corner to apply your changes site-wide. And that's it. You've just learned how to perfectly adjust your WordPress header size without touching a single line of code. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to stick around for more quick WordPress tips that'll help you design smarter and faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.